What is it? Just 70? Hey, it was 85 here yesterday. It's not today. What are you doing, Jackson?
Hey, Jackson, who are you talking to on the computer?
There goes Beth.
Who's on the computer?
What?
Sometimes I think
Is
he's
it
gonna be
Wes?
in the WWE.
There goes Natalie.
His build-up.
Wait, where did that come from? That isn't wet, is it? How'd my hand get all wet?
Where'd they go?
I thought it was on her butt.
Oh, we're just watching Gus.
She could have peed already and got all wet, could you? Maybe it was just the water.
Maybe she was slobbering. Is Wes getting a better mood so we could talk?
No? Okay.
Jackson?
She had lotion on her.
It was really, you're doing exactly what he's doing. What would you say? Like water. I mean, didn't really feel like. What'd you say?
She might have slobbered.
Maybe it just swallowed.
Jackson, who's there?
Oh, okay.
Jackson, who's there?
I told him to invent a wrestler. And the wrestler's big move.
What did you going to show him that, Lauren? He's going to say, oh my God.
And sorry, I can't remember what he calls it. Are you slap happy, big guy?
He is
Did
so
Wes talk
tired.
at all?
High fives.
Yep. Jackson's on the pool table. We're all downstairs.
Ask Wesley if he's going to come to Indiana.
There's the birthday girl.
Wesley's not talking.
Oh, he's still not talking?
No, he left.
Oh, he left?
Aww. Doggone. Did you guys
Yeah.
Are you going to go get
Gus.
Daddy?
You mean did Wes go to bed?
Oh,
Jackson.
there's Mommy.
Jackson.
Yeah, you can see Natalie walking.
Natalie found a new game.
Oh, yeah, there she goes. Oh, yeah, there.
Oh, Gus is standing on his own.
Yeah, he's ready
Yay, Gus.
Oh, there goes the crawl.
Watch her. Shoot.
Yes, I know. I hate that pool table. Oh, you're not.
Yeah.
Be careful. Be careful. Oh, Jackson, no.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you
You're a
doing?
wild man.